thinking if I'm nervous, because where I'm going to go, I never...
You should be.
Oh, a little update here. Number one, I got the name wrong on this again. It's TRRS, Electrical Parts Cleaner. I got this off of Amazon. It was recommended by one of my viewers, and it does a fantastic job of cleaning up contacts. Now, I have my wall air conditioner on now because one problem I had in the previous show, it was getting hot in here. That's my excuse anyway. The other thing is, I found that if I push in on the tuning knob, it tunes smoothly. So I think the knob itself is slipping on the shaft. As long as and I don't have to push hard, but if I just push on the tuning knob, it tunes perfectly. Let me see if I can zoom in and maybe show you that with it lighted now. It's on. Turn it up a little bit. See, it's kind of, let me switch it off and on. Kind of orangish. There's dark. That's the backlight. And I don't think you can see it very well, but now it tunes smoothly as long as I push in. And the other thing I didn't show you in the previous video is when I was tuning before, that was only AM. Now, excuse me, I'm on FM. I'll turn the volume back up.
Worst year income since
And I'll tune.
I don't. Tom buys a fashion.
Can't all like the same massage, locally owned and
Well, it gets
located.
a lot. Let's down a little bit. It gets a lot of stations. So it worked fine on AM and FM. I just wanted to give you a brief update to correct my boo-boo on this and to tell you what I found about the tuning. So, turns out it's a pretty good deal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.